Hey guys, if you want to know how I made this granola, stay tuned and keep watching. Here are the things I use. I'm using honey, about 300 milliliter of honey. You can use more or less depending on how sweet you want yours to be. And I'll be making use of vanilla stang. You can use vanilla like this, or you can use vanilla essence. And I have oats here. I have road fashion oats, about 1.1 kg. I have pumpkin seed and sunflower seed mixed together. And I also have some almond nuts. I also have some walnuts inside there. And here are some mixed fruits. Over here is some pineapple, papaya, and raisins, dry fruits. Then over here is some coconut flakes. I have some coconut flakes, as you can see. And over here is some, I almost forgot the name, pistachio. I have some pistachio here. And I have oat buffets. So you can make use of all these, or you can remove the ones you don't use. You can add any nuts of your choice. So I will go ahead and scrape out the vanilla and add inside the honey, because I want this to have a great flavor. Then I'm mixing the nuts together inside the oats. I just add all the nuts, the dry ingredients inside the oats. Then I will add the seed as well after adding the nuts and the oats buffet. You can use rice buffet. Then I'll be adding the coconut flakes as well, because coconut tastes well when you bake it. Then I just added my honey. I just melted the honey on my stove top a while with the vanilla, then added it. Then I'll be mixing everything. Once it has combined perfectly well, I will be lining it on my oven tray just like this. Because I'm making a large quantity, guys, I'm making a large quantity. This is not just for one use. I'm making this for my own personal use and for my family use. Yeah, you heard me right. Personal use and family use. I know you'll be like, what do you mean by that? School will soon be starting in August, so I will be going to school, schooling in a different city from my family, almost 3 hours. So I will live there for a while. Then during weekdays, I will come back. So I will be taking a lot and just preparing some quick food that I will be taking along with me. That's why I'm baking 2 trays. So I just have to put everything, but if you don't want to make a larger quantity, you can always reduce the quantity of the food you are making. But it's good to make a larger quantity, especially when it's not the food that spoils easily. When you keep it like this, after making it, you can keep it for months, it doesn't go bad. So why not make it and store it than coming inside the kitchen almost every time to prepare food? All I need for this when I want to eat it is just add milk and breakfast is ready, or dinner. Or I can easily put it on yogurt, add some fruit again, use it and make like parfait, then breakfast is served. That's okay, guys. Yeah, if you know that you're still watching up to this extent, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for my oldies, my old subscribers. If you have been watching all my videos, oh my god, I owe you. I owe you my next YouTube payment, guys. You guys mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming as well, for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, remember to give this video a thumbs up. And after laying it on my oven tray, I put it inside the oven, turn on my oven for 10 minutes on a high heat. I bake this on 220 degrees Celsius, and once it's 10 minutes, I bring it out, mix everything together, make sure they are not caking together, then added the mixed fruit, the one I showed you earlier, the papaya, pineapple, and raisins. You can use any dry fruits like cranberries and all those good stuff. So, and after that is ready, allow it to rest and cool down very well before you store it, just like so. Enjoy. Bye.